Is your inner critic steering you wrong? You may believe in the power of affirmations, but do they often get trampled by your inner critic? Positive affirmations seem like a great idea, and several experts will say they work. But if they do work, why aren't more people using them? My name's Michelle, and on this channel we'll share tips and techniques for building a life you love. So let's talk about affirmations and that critical voice in your head. It could be that your inner critic is stronger than any affirmations you may present for yourself. After all, we spent a lifetime developing that critic. A few short-term affirmations aren't going to hold much weight against it. So, does this mean you are destined to never using affirmations? Not at all. In fact, it's the purpose of affirmations to retrain your brain into believing that the affirmations are the correct way to think. In order for this to happen, consistency is key. Set up a system that allows you to reinforce your affirmations on a regular basis. It's going to take some work, but it can be done. It's about switching up your routine to use affirmations you find or create. If you're stuck finding the right affirmations, ask others who have found ones that work. I can share more in meditations and from some good book recommendations if you guys are interested. Maybe you could share your favorite affirmations in the comment section below. Now, repetition and belief are two really important concepts when working with your affirmations. Set up a schedule for yourself that contains the particular affirmation you want to use. Say your affirmations out loud and do it several times a day. The more you do them, the more they will transform your thoughts to the point where they become natural. If you skip a day, don't worry too much about it. Just pick up where you left off the next day and write in your journal about skipping if you keep a journal. If you can pinpoint the reason why you missed it, maybe you can understand what happened and stop yourself from doing it again. When you set up your schedule and journal and stick to them, you'll look back and wonder how your inner critic was ever able to dominate your thoughts. Your affirmations will take over and be in the forefront of your mind. You'll be setting up the law of attraction as it relates to affirmations in a way that gives you the results you seek. Once this happens, you have the tools to make it happen over and over again. This means you will finally get to have the things you've wanted and live the life you've always dreamed about. It's a new journey, but one that will have a lasting impact. You have it within you to make the necessary changes. The question is, are you ready to silence your inner critic? Anyway, that's what we have for today. Hope it's been of use. If it has, please hit that thumbs up button to give it a like. Also, comment below to let me know any questions you guys have, or better yet, share your favorite affirmations. And finally, if you're new to this channel and you haven't already, remember to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell next to it. That's it for now, everyone. Thank you for joining me.